Hey, what's up there, YouTube? Jet Fuel EDC here, just doing a real quick unboxing. Got a box in here from Apmex today. So let's get into this, show you what I got. This should be pretty interesting. These boxes are pretty well packaged, so they can be a bear to get into sometimes, so bear with me here. That's pretty well glued here. I don't remember what I bought. I bought this about 2 weeks ago, and it took them forever to ship it because I paid with a check, and when you pay with a check, they don't hit you with all the credit card fees and all that junk. So, but the catch to that is it takes longer, because they wait for the check to clear. And I finally had to call them on Friday and go like, hey, where's my order? And she said they were searching for a coin that I had ordered, and they were having a hard time locating it. So they went ahead and shipped it without the coin that I wanted. So here's the rest of it. I bought an airtight holder for a 1 ounce bar. Several of them, I think about 5. Airtight holder for a 32 millimeter coin. I think it's for a 32 millimeter. Another bar. Another 32. Another 32. And 2 more 32s. There's about 5 of each. So here's the good stuff. This first one is just a 10 ounce bar. Oh, and by the way, I should have told you guys, if you're looking for a knife or anything, you're not really going to see one other than the one that opened the box. But this is all silver and airtight holders. 10 troy ounces, 999 silver, 999 fine silver. Branded by Apmex. It's pretty sweet. Then we got Noah's Ark. It's a 1 ouncer. What else we got in here? Really? So this is the one that they said they couldn't find. So it took me to call them to find it. Huh. That's a 1/2 ounce silver Australian great white shark. That makes me wonder if they weren't waiting for spot prices to dive or something like that. They didn't have some kind of other agenda. Got another panda. If you've watched any of my other videos, you've seen that I've brought in a few pandas here lately. This one's a 2016. It's got, these were damaged. That great white was damaged and it was on a clearance aisle. It says abrasions and spotting. Let's see if we can find it. Yeah, you see it around the edges of this one, which I'm fine with. And the last one, this one was really cool. The dragon bar. Elizabeth, $1 Australia. So some pretty cool stuff there. I don't think there's anything else in here. Just the receipt that I got. So yeah, pretty excited about that. That's a good deal. Good deal. Got a few more coins coming. Got some awesome knives this week. So stay tuned for that. But I don't even want to spoil it. I bought some pretty awesome knives this week. So stay tuned for those. Hopefully I'll have them by the end of the week. And yeah, as always, like, comment, subscribe. I've got a few new viewers, I guess. Thanks to Jimmy Slash. Really appreciate him giving me a shout out. Like I said, I'm getting used to this, trying to get better at it, better at public speaking. And this is the only way to do it is, practice it. So give me comments down below. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. Yeah, I appreciate it. Thanks.